Hello Internet. Today we have this 3080 from Dell/HP that came with a bent I/O shield. Let's bend it back like so, and that's it. That's all the repair it needed to bring it back to life. Who knows? Maybe it prevented it to be plugged in all the way and not work as a result. I don't know. Either way, the least we can do is to take it apart and see if it has any abnormalities. And the only abnormality I've noticed is that the card has not been cleaned since its first game. I can't work like that, so I'll go ahead and clean it up, and here's the result. Continued measuring resistances in the key areas such as 12 volt, 5 volt, 1.8, memory and PEX. Both data lines and the PEX reset look good, so let's power it on and see what it does. All required voltage is present, so next step is to power it on by the PC and see if we get a picture. No picture today.
Not today!
Okay, so let's go into the memory test and see if we can detect the card to begin with. Card is not detected, so I decided to check all power stages just in case. And after checking every single one of them, it looks like everything is normal. So there's really no good reason for this not to be detected. And yet, it doesn't. I even went as far as being so stupid, thinking that wiggling HDMI cable would somehow revive this GPU and it will detect. But as you would expect, it didn't help. But wait, I went even more stupid, and I cleaned the HDMI port just in case, who knows. But that didn't help, obviously. Some people try to apply new paste and pads.
Smush, 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 smush. Something just wasn't right.
Thinking they contain some magic ingredient that makes the GPU work. Instead, I'll take a look around the board, and I found that the PEX reset logic pin that goes here is covered with some glue. Whether it's glue or grease or dirt, whatever it is, it must be preventing the PCI Express reset pin from contacting the motherboard, thus rendering the GPU a no detect. So let's clean that up and see if that fixes the problem. And there we have it. It gave a picture right away and even managed a memory test. Looks like that's all it was. Just a dirty PEX reset pin. Since I can't make this repair to be too easy, I decided to give this guy a new set of pads, because it's a 3080. 3080 run hotter than 3090s for some strange reasons. Even hotter than 3080 Ti's. So it's best to address that issue while the card is still open. And with that out of the way, card is running strong. Memory temps are just like the 3090s, which is ridiculous, but whatever. I can't do anything about it. Anyway, the card is running benchmarks and everything is looking great, so thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to this channel for more easy repairs and don't forget to comment below. Goodbye.